The All-Father's favor is a fickle thing. Impress him with your audacity, and he will see you through to victory.
So, what is the real plan?
Your Emperor is dead. Do you know what kind of creature waits for its own slaughter? Would you be Emperor? Sheep.
Never.
Do you know how to tell a predator from prey?
Master, this beast killed at least 40 soldiers.
40. You can't, of course, unless you see them in war. Well done. The wolves among them will ride.
Who do you think you are?
War. I am war.
Apollyon.
They didn't know who they served. We're all your humble servants, Master. I'm coming to kill you.
Apollyon played us all, one against the other.
You executed the Imperial family.
For what?
To weed out the weak.
We've shared our stories.
No! This is my fight!
We cannot hope to trigger war everywhere.
We can, if we recruit our enemies to the cause.
Why are we not burning it all?
What do you imagine the clans would do if we burned it all? They would unite, but leave them scraps. Just enough for 2, maybe 3 clans.
Let's feast!
Unorganized.
They will fight each other over what remains.
I had come for Ragnar.
This will be a day for wolves.
What are you doing among the Warborn?
You talk too much.
You fought well.
To hell with you!
Now I had new questions. Ones that were much harder to answer.
You're in charge now. We are with you. Our neighbors are persistent.
That they are.
Is this how it starts?
Are they rebelling? Can they do that?
Valhalla!
Valhalla, warrior.
The old ways of blood has stolen our people. We were united once more.
The gates had fallen. The escape tunnels were all blocked.
Reinforcements! Do not lose this courtyard.
The samurai have breached the second gate! Yield!
Finally, the Dawn Empire have arrived. Death waits for us all. A warrior is someone who does not let that stop them from doing what must be done.
You will be forgotten. The Emperor's champion will defeat you.
Come, war.
I took an oath to fight for peace.
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 We will have peace.
Peace, you came into my home, and you brought your armies. What did you think would happen? You've forgotten what you are.
We're no peacemakers.
Is it an unworthy goal?
For valor in battle. For honor and service.
Duty, kinship, honor. Don't speak to me of your virtues. That isn't how the world works.
You want war. Only war.
Our people bleed!
Our people starved.
We are not your enemy, champion.
All I want is for you to admit what you are. My wolf.